Oh, this work is so awful. And I have to be home alone too. No! No! Why are you entering my house? No! No! Please! Please, sir! I'm about to die! No, please! I gotta get to my friend's house! Where are you? Friend! No.
Wake up!
What's that noise? No! What are you doing? Actually, I'm gonna fight back.
Wow. You know what? I'm gonna use this on you. Wait, no, it's jammed. Wait. You know what? Justin, you actually fought back. You're the first one to ever do that. Do you want to be recruited
To what?
to the murder team?
Yeah, let's go!
Okay. Good one.
So yeah, that's why I think that we should do it. Like it's easier, am I right?
Hello!
Hey! Heck?
Okay, alright, now I'm going to finish this really fast.
So he's eating a
God.
baked potato.
Diarrhea.
Huh.
Don't even got my shield, bro.
What the? Why do you have a shield? Bro, do not take this chili! It's not chili! Wait, you stop jumping around. Oh, yo. Oh! Spooky! Ah!
Bye-bye.
What? What?
What?
Hey! Give me that. Around.
Hey guys, what doing?
Who are you?
This is an epic murder video! Get out of here!
I just spammed the random code and I joined it.
Hey, get out here!
No, you're gonna check me out.
You must die! You must die!
Oh, shoot! Don't touch me!
Oh, God!
Die!
There's another guy.
Die! Yes!
Not just you! Die already! Just die!
Oh, no respawning, by the way.
That's the most random thing to see during a battle.
No respawning.
No! I'll use my power! I'll still fight you!
No one killed my friend!
Come here! You know what?
No!
They were a teammate. In the name of
Never kill my friend!
What the
They were a teammate. I'm gonna say They were a teammate. I'm gonna kill me.
No one shall kill me! That did the job, I think!
Yeah.